Chiliz is a computerized cash for tokenizing sports and diversion. This is a blockchain innovation that permits you to make items for common buyers. Chiliz was made by the socios.com stage to permit fans to associate all the more effectively with their number one groups. Digital currency gives fans the option to cast a ballot and the chance to partake in decision production for associations that join the socios.com stage. What's the deal with the Chiliz digital currency cost? Find out in Chiliz cost expectation for 2020 to 2025. Our constant CHC to USD cost update shows the ongoing Chiliz cost as 13 cents USD. According to our Chiliz cost forecast, CHC cost is supposed to have a 2.82% reduction and drop as low as by April 10, 2023. Our examination of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is nonpartisan -31%, with a trepidation and eagerness list score of 61. Over the most recent 30 days, Chiliz has had 19/30th green days and 4.23% cost instability. Chiliz specialized outline, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Chiliz is $12 cents, and CHC is buy and by position no. 61 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Chiliz is $773,165,999.47, with a market cap of $6,718,673,450 CHC. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, CHC has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 6.15%. Chiliz has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of CHC has expanded by 15.57%, adding a gigantic typical measure of 2 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing. Chiliz value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Chiliz costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Chiliz will be 16 cents. The most extreme level that the CHC cost can reach is 19 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 17 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 53.8% by CHC value estimate for February 2023 in light of the value vacillations of Chiliz toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical CHC pace of 12 cents in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 11 cents and at 13 cents. Separately, likely return for capital invested, 7.7% by WAC 2023. Chiliz value figure cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the CHC cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 12 cents, while the greatest could reach 13 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around 13 cents. It can drop to 12 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 14 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 15.4% by May 2023. Chiliz value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The CHC cost will be exchanged at 13 cents by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Chiliz worth to 15 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 13 cents in May 2023. Expected return on initial capital investment, 23.1% by CHC value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Chiliz costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 14 cents. The least and pinnacle CHC rates may be 13 cents and 15 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 23.1% by July 2023. Chiliz value figure crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the CHC cost will be around 14 cents. In July 2023, the Chiliz cost might drop to at least 14 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 16 cents in July 2023. Possible return for capital invested, 30.8% by CHZ value gauge for August 2023. Having dissected Chiliz cost, digital money specialists expect that the CHC rate could arrive at a limit of 17 cents in August 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to 15 cents. For August 2023, the anticipated normal of Chiliz is almost 15 cents. Likely return for money invested, 38.4% by September 2023. Chiliz value conjecture around mid-2023. The Chiliz cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 15 cents. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the CHZ cost could change somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 17 cents. Possible return for money invested, 38.4% by CHZ value gauge for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Chiliz worth won't dip under at least 16 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is 18 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 16 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 46.1% by November 2023. Chiliz value figure digital currency specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of CHZ costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Chiliz will be around 19 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 16 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 16 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 53.8% by CHZ value conjecture for December 2023. In light of the value changes of Chiliz toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 17 cents in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 16 cents and at 19 cents individually. Possible return on initial capital investment, 53.8% by Chiliz value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Chiliz in earlier years, it is expected that in 2024, the base cost of Chiliz will be around 23 cents. The most extreme expected CHZ cost might be around 28 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 24 cents in 2024. The typical expected exchanging cost is 34 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Chiliz and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base CHZ cost could drop to 50 cents, while its greatest can reach 58 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 51 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Chiliz by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least CHZ costs are normal in 2027, 88 cents and 73 cents. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 76 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillations of Chiliz. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical CHZ cost will be around $1.13. It could drop to at least $1.09. However, it actually could reach $1.31 all through 2028. Chiliz value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Chiliz. It is assessed that CHZ will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.54 and $1.89 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.59 during the year. Chiliz value forecast 2030. Digital money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Chiliz's cost. The year 2030 not set in stone by the greatest CHZ cost of $2.65. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $2.23. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $2.31. Chiliz value expectation 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the Chiliz cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their CHZ cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for somewhere